You work late, night after night. You give everything to your job, pouring your energy into project after project, thinking this is the key to getting ahead. Yet when you finally drag yourself home, you're still broke. The numbers just don't add up. You're doing everything you're supposed to, but the financial security you're chasing feels further away than ever. It's a frustrating, lonely feeling, sitting under that dim light, wondering what you're doing wrong. Then, payday comes. It's that brief moment of relief. The check hits your account, and for a second, you can breathe. But that breath is shallow, because just as quickly as it arrived, the money is gone. Rent is due, the electricity bill is waiting, car payments, groceries. It's like a waterfall of expenses, and your paycheck is just a drop in the ocean. The money slips right through your fingers, and before you know it, you're left with a few dollars and that familiar, sinking feeling in your heart, wondering how you'll make it to the next payday. So, what do you do to cope? You treat yourself to feel better. A fancy latte, that new gadget you've been eyeing. A night out with friends, you tell yourself you deserve these little luxuries to escape the constant stress. And for a moment, it works. The worry fades, and you feel a sense of normalcy, a taste of the life you wish you had. But the relief is always fleeting. It doesn't last. The guilt creeps back in when the credit card bill comes due, a stark reminder that your temporary escape just dug you deeper into the hole. And it's not just you. Everywhere you look, there's pressure to spend, to keep up. Your friends are showing off their new cars. Social media feed is a highlight reel of exotic vacations, designer clothes, and shiny new things. It's a constant barrage of consumerism that makes you feel inadequate. You feel the urge to keep up, to project an image that you're doing just fine, that you're successful too. So you swipe the credit card, chasing an image, chasing a feeling. But that feeling is hollow, and it leaves you even more empty than before. Think back. Did anyone ever actually teach you how to manage money? In school, you learned algebra and history, probably not how to create a budget, how to invest, or the difference between good and bad debt. What about at home? For many of us, money was a source of tension. Maybe it meant hushed, anxious whispers between your parents behind a closed door. Maybe it meant loud arguments. Maybe it was just a topic that was never, ever discussed. You grew up without a financial map. Now you're an adult, stumbling through a thick financial fog, repeating the only patterns you know because they're all you've ever seen. Let's be honest. The truth is, it's not just bad luck or a low salary that's keeping you broke. It's habits. It's beliefs. It's your psychology. You avoid looking at your bank statements because you're terrified of what you'll see. You spend money not because you need something, but because you want to feel something: comfort, status, a momentary high from the dopamine rush of a new purchase. But then you feel worse. It's a vicious cycle, an invisible trap that keeps you running in place, exhausted and defeated. But tonight, sitting here, you see it clearly. The late hours at work, the impulsive spending sprees, the fear, the denial, it's all connected. You realize this isn't just about how much you earn. It's about how you think about money, how you feel about it, and how you handle it when no one else is watching. Your relationship with money is what needs fixing. That is something you can change. You have the power to change that, starting right now. And so, a new day begins. Change doesn't happen overnight. It begins with small, deliberate steps. You sit down and create a simple budget. You set up an automatic transfer to put just a few dollars into a savings account. You walk past the coffee shop and say no to that impulse buy. Each step feels tiny, almost insignificant, but each one is a brave act of defiance against the old patterns. The psychology of money is being rewritten, one decision at a time. And with each new dawn, you're leaving broke a little further behind, walking toward a future you control. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, hit that subscribe button for more content to help you master your money and your mindset. See you next time.